Nearly 2,500 rhino horns, said to be the world's largest such stockpile, were consigned to flames at Bokakhat in Assam on World Rhino Day today, amid chanting of hymns as Assam sent out a strong message to poachers besides dispelling myths associated with the medicinal value of rhino horns. We have this report.
Assam government embarks on mission to protect rhinos. A total of 2,479 confiscated rhino horns reduced to ashes. After South Africa, it was for the first time that rhino horns were burnt in India at Assam's Bokakhat Stadium. The atmosphere resonated with echoes of the ritualistic chants of mantras recited by over 20 priests as Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma today consigned as many as 2,479 rhino horns to flames with full dignity in 6 specially made iron pyres at Bokakhat Stadium using a high-tech drone. The message of the Chief Minister was clear. The government is very serious when it comes to protecting the state's pride, the one-horned rhinoceros. And the special ritual, as Chief Minister Sharma himself pointed out, was performed to bust myths associated with rhino horns and consequential poaching. Reiterating that rhino horns neither possess any medicinal value nor bring in revenue, Chief Minister Sharma highlighted that the horns are an integral part of a rhino's anatomy and should not be sold, just like the way human kidneys are not supposed to be traded.
Almost 2,400 rhino horn, just to send a message that this horn has no medicinal value. You cannot sell and purchase it. For this, you cannot kill a rhino, and these are precious as long as we allow rhino to grow naturally, live naturally. If you kill a rhino thinking that rhino horn has a medicinal value, then you are wrong, and you cannot earn revenue by selling rhino horn. The way you cannot earn revenue by selling kidney of a human being, the same way you cannot earn revenue by killing this important part of a rhino's body or rhino's physical body structure. So this important message we are sending today.
Chief Minister Sharma, who led the symbolic occasion from the front, also sent out a strong warning to poachers, stating that any person involved in trade concerning wild animals, including the killing of rhinos, will have to face dire consequences.
Etiar pora amar bosori ji gor prakitik bhabe moribo চোৰাং চিকাৰীয়ে মাৰিব বুলি মই নাভাবো চোৰাং চিকাৰীবিলাকেও জানে যে অসম চৰকাৰ কেতিয়া কি পজিশনত আছে ইয়াতে ইয়াৰ পৰা গড় মাৰিব গল বাসি যোৱাটো ইমান সহজ এতিয়া নহব মই তেওঁলোকক ভাল কৰি বুজাই কৈছো আৰু তেওঁলোকে বুজিব যে এতিয়া কথাবিলাক বেলেগ হৈছে আগৰ দৰে নহব আমাৰ সেই পুৰণা দিনবিলাকৰ কথা আমি মনত পেলাব নালাগে পৰিৱৰ্তন হৈছে গতিকে Surang Sikarar pra khorgo ahibo tak moi nabhabu.
Others to accompany Chief Minister Sharma included Forest Minister Parimal Suklabhatia, Agriculture Minister Atul Bora, and Chief Wildlife Warden of Assam M.K. Yadava, amongst others.
বছরের পর বছর এটা বস্তু রাখিবলৈ হলে তার প্রসেসিং লাগিব বহুতখিনি কথা আছে আৰু ইটস এ কন্টিনিউ প্রসেস কারণ প্ৰাকৃতিক উপায় গড় মৰিব লাগিব মৰে আৰু আমি খৰ্ববিলাক আমি যদি এনেকুৱা দি দিও তেনেহলে এনেকুৱা যদি আমি তেওঁৰ যেনেকুৱা আজিৰ দিনত মৰিলে যেনেকুৱা আমি তেওঁলোকক দফন কৰো তেতিয়া খৰ্গটো আমাৰ উলাই আনিব লাগে এইটো ৰাখাৰ কোনো প্ৰয়োজনীয়তা আছে আমাৰ চৰকাৰে ভাবা নাই। কিয় ভাবা নাই? কাৰণ আমি জানো যে এইটো অন্ধবিশ্বাস আৰু যিসকল মানুহ, যিসকল অসাধু মানুহ, তেওঁলোকে বজাৰত এটা আন্তঃৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় বজাৰত এটাৰ মূল্য নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰিলে। আৰু এই যে মূল্য নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰিলে একেবাৰে বিনা কাৰণত কৰিলে। আৰু এই কাৰণেই চোৰাং চিকাৰীবিলাকে এইবিলাক নিধন কৰাৰ যিটো প্ৰয়াস কৰে, আৰু আমাৰ চৰকাৰ অহাৰ পাছতে আপোনালোকে দেখিছে আমি তেওঁলোকৰ প্ৰয়াসত আমি প্ৰত্যাহ্বান জনাইছোঁ আৰু আপোনালোকৰ সহযোগিতাত আমি ইয়াতে ছাকচেছফুল হৈছোঁ।
Worth mentioning here, a total of 2,623 horns kept inside 12 treasuries across the state were examined by the Rhino Horn Verification Committee formed in the year 2016. Out of these, 19 were registered to be genuine and 10 were deemed to be fake horns involved in court cases. Additionally, 21 other fake horns were also marked. Meanwhile, 94 rhino horns have been kept aside for preservation. These horns belong to rhinos which have died of natural causes and will be kept at a natural history museum which will be set up at the Kaziranga National Park. As such, the decision to consign the remaining 2,479 horns to flames was taken at a recent cabinet meeting chaired by the Chief Minister himself. Clearly, the burning of the horns will stand as a lasting testimony to the Assam government's resolve in safeguarding its one-horned rhinos. News Desk Report, Northeast Live.